Are you ready to embark on your photography journey but unsure which camera to choose? With so many options available, selecting the right gear can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. The ideal camera should not only inspire creativity but also offer user-friendly features to help you grow your skills. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best cameras for beginners, highlighting their key functionalities, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're looking to capture stunning landscapes, candid family moments, or vibrant street scenes, we'll help you find the perfect companion to kickstart your photography adventure. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. If you're stepping into the world of photography and seeking an affordable option, the Canon EOS R50 could be your ideal companion. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, allowing you to capture moments on the go without any hassle. You'll appreciate the user-friendly controls and the intelligent auto mode, which are perfect for those transitioning from smartphone photography. With its reliable autofocus system, you can have peace of mind knowing that your subjects will stay in focus, no matter what scene you're capturing. Whether you're photographing your friends, a sunset, or a bustling market, the EOS R50's various subject detection modes help you achieve clear, sharp images every time. If you're also interested in video content creation, the Canon EOS R50 won't disappoint. It records in stunning 4K at up to 30 frames per second, giving you the ability to create dynamic vlogs or short films with impressive quality, all at a cost-effective price point. Just keep in mind that while it's packed with features, the battery life for video recording may not be the longest, so plan accordingly. In summary, the Canon EOS R50 combines user-friendly features with impressive performance, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their photography and videography skills on a budget. Make it the camera that helps you tell your story, wherever your journey leads you. At number 4, GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera. Are you ready to capture your thrilling adventures like never before? Action cameras like the GoPro Hero 10 Black are designed specifically for this purpose, with durability that can withstand even the most intense experiences. While it may not be the latest model in the GoPro lineup, the Hero 10 Black remains a fantastic choice for anyone looking to document their adrenaline-fueled moments without breaking the bank. With the capability to record stunning video in up to 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second, your adventures will come to life with incredible detail. Want to showcase those hair-raising stunts in slow motion? Simply switch to 4K at 120 frames per second. While it's true that action cameras typically feature smaller sensors, which can limit depth perception, this is often a minor concern when you're busy experiencing the thrill of skydiving or mountain biking. Imagine reliving the rush of jumping out of a plane or navigating rugged trails, all captured in high-definition quality. The GoPro Hero 10 Black empowers you to turn those fleeting moments into lasting memories, ensuring that you can share your journeys with friends and family. With its user-friendly interface and robust construction, it's an ideal tool for adventurers at any skill level. So why wait? Start filming your incredible experiences today and create a visual diary of your adventures that you can enjoy for years to come. Number 3, we have the Panasonic LUMIX G100 4K mirrorless camera. If you're seeking a compact and portable camera, the Panasonic LUMIX G100 could be just what you need. While it may not match the image quality of some of larger models, rest assured that it still captures stunning images in a variety of settings. The standout feature here is the camera's swift autofocus system, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners like you. You'll find it easy to achieve sharp, well-focused shots without any hassle. Additionally, the LUMIX G100 doesn't just excel in photography, it also boasts impressive video capabilities. This makes it a versatile choice if you have a passion for both stills and motion. Whether you're documenting your travels, capturing family moments, or creating content for social media, this camera offers the functionality you need to bring your vision to life. Its lightweight design ensures that you can carry it wherever you go, making it an ideal companion for spontaneous adventures or daily outings. Imagine having a reliable tool at your fingertips, ready to snap beautiful images and record high-quality videos in an instant. Consider the Panasonic LUMIX G100 if you desire a practical yet effective solution for capturing life's moments. It's designed to empower you so you can focus on what truly matters, telling your story through stunning visuals that you'll cherish for years to come. At number 2, Nikon Z50, Compact Mirrorless Camera. If you're seeking a camera that expertly balances build quality and user comfort, the Nikon Z50 could be your ideal choice. This model stands out as the only weather-sealed camera on our list, offering you added peace of mind during outdoor shoots, rain or shine. When you're capturing those spontaneous moments in nature, it's reassuring to know your gear can withstand the elements. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design that Nikon has put into this camera. The ergonomic controls are intuitively placed, making it easier for you to adjust settings without fumbling. The generous hand grip ensures a secure hold, allowing you to shoot for longer periods without discomfort. Additionally, the Nikon Z50 features a versatile tilting screen that flips down, perfect for capturing selfies or unique angles. This flexibility encourages your creativity, letting you explore different perspectives while ensuring you frame your shots just right. Coupling this with a large, high-resolution viewfinder, you can enjoy a clear, bright view of your subjects, enhancing your ability to capture stunning images. Whether you're stepping into photography for the first time or looking to upgrade, the Nikon Z50 combines durability with thoughtful design, making it a true companion for your photographic journey. Embrace the freedom to explore your creativity, knowing you have a reliable camera that's built to last. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. The Canon EOS R10 stands out as the most premium option on our list, yet it excels as an ideal choice for beginners venturing into photography. If you're looking to elevate your skills, this camera offers a versatile platform for both stunning photos and light video projects. Designed with a blended feature set, the EOS R10 caters to both novice photographers and those ready to transition from an older camera or DSLR. You'll appreciate its lightweight design and ergonomic build, making it easy to hold for extended shooting sessions. The user-friendly interface ensures that you can quickly get the hang of it, allowing you to focus more on capturing your vision rather than getting lost in complicated settings. This camera is equipped for a diverse array of photography styles. Its high-resolution sensor captures crisp, vibrant images, while its rapid burst shooting feature allows you to seize fleeting moments effortlessly. You'll also benefit from one of the best autofocus systems available in entry-level cameras, giving you confidence in your ability to track moving subjects and achieve sharp focus. In choosing the Canon EOS R10, you're investing in a camera that grows with you. Whether you're just starting out or seeking an upgrade, this camera will support your creative journey, empowering you to explore and express your unique perspective through photography. With the EOS R10, you'll discover the joy of shooting and the potential to create remarkable visuals. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which camera for beginners you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.